Here we go. And Brian just finishing his breakfast. You got a dirty beak, Bri. What you been doing? Have you had your breakfast? No. You've got it on my camera now. Hang on a sec. There we go. No, not my work surface. Do it on the side of your bowl, monkey. You want some help? Let's get your beak clean. There we go. There we go. Oh. There we go. It's a bit better, isn't it? You're going to get the rest off yourself. He's eating like a big boy. Right, yeah? Big boy. Big, clever birdie. Yeah. Yeah. Licking the dish clean. Licking the dish clean. Sure. There'll be no more in it if you beat the dish up. Come on, clean your beak. Yeah. Clean your beak. Come here. Let's get it. Ah, good boy. Well done. You've none left, you've eaten it all. You're not having any more, you had loads. Oh, nasty bowl being empty. Nasty bowl being empty. Isn't it? Get off my camera. It's my camera. What? Are you telling me? You're saying, Mummy, it's